Hey guys, Assalamu alaikum. This is your girl Saher. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. I hope all of you are doing well. I am doing good too. And the cupboard that you see right here is the one that has to be cleaned and sorted. All of my bags are so freaking messy because I've just been in a very bad phase of my life and I've just been throwing stuff around. I've not been taking care of my stuff, so this has to be sorted, and that is what we will be doing in the video. So if you are here for the first time, hi, my name is Seher and I make videos on lifestyle, travel, product reviews, a little bit of everything. So please do subscribe to my channel, turn on the bell notification button and share it with your friends and family members. So let's start with the video. Okay, so these are all my bags and we need to fix them in this cupboard. I don't know how. Just send prayers for me because obviously the space is not enough. All right, these are all my purses. They were very messy in this because I used them and we need to fill this up. And some of the bags have bags inside of them. So that's another story altogether. Like you can see, like you can see, like you can see, it's a never-ending pile. And see, bags inside of bags, bags inside of more bags. So yes, we have to put this in this and let's see how we do it. Okay, you guys, this is all the treasure I found from my bags, and this is the bag that I'm going to currently carry because it matches with everything, and plus it's comfortable. And in case I need to take a a bag that is slightly matching, then I can always switch. There is another option that I have kept as well, which is my Coach bag. It's getting folded a lot, and I can't grab it. I don't know what's up with my voice. It's it's croaky and I don't know. There's a lot of things. I don't know. It's from it's all from my travel. Like I have a lot of things. I have one more sunglasses. I have one sunglasses lying over there. And a sunglass empty case with the tags, a lot of random stuff of some green tea. Why do I have this packet of washing powder like in my Coach bag? Like why? I don't seem to understand, but yes, we will clean it and most likely I will use my Coach bag and this bag and let's see how that goes. So I got these pouches from Meesho. I am gonna add some toiletries, some lipsticks, lip glosses and things of that sort in bags like these. So I have like 3 bags like these so I can make use of them, and I do have some other pouches lying somewhere. So this is the mess that I am dealing with right now. Okay, so far I have kept these things. So I've kept the sanitizer, I've kept a hand fan because I feel hot very easily. I've kept my guest wallet, and I've kept a bottle with a little bit of water. This is fresh bottle itself, so I can refill it every time I need it in case I'm outside. And then over here I have filled some things. I've kept tissue paper, I've kept a clutch, I've kept lip balm, I've kept a lipstick, I've kept a lip gloss, I've kept hand soap, and I have kept a comb. I just need to keep a compact powder as well, and I am currently obsessing over this, so I'm gonna add the gloss as well. So we have all our bases covered over there, and as you guys can see, I have some spare cash lying around and a blade. as well, and a coin. So this will all go in my wallet, and I'm keeping a concealer in case I need to touch up. I need to buy myself a compact. I don't know where I have kept it, so I will purchase that, but this I will keep because if I need to touch up. So on most days I don't even dress up, like I just go like this itself outside, and some or the other occasion arises where I need to touch up a little bit to look presentable, then a concealer helps. And this is a full coverage concealer. This is from L'Oreal Infallible. It's a OG concealer, and I think everybody knows that this is bomb.com, so I am going to keep that. I am going to keep extra pair of earrings just in case I need them, but I don't know where the back of these earrings is, so I need to find it and then keep it. Also, I am gonna keep this because certain times what happens is like I need to take my jewelry off, like bracelets or even my watches. I need to put them somewhere so that they don't get scratched up. So this will be perfect to keep in your bag, because if in case you're making wazoo or you are going somewhere near water, your jewelry will be safe in this and it won't be in your bag getting scratched up. And then of course I'm gonna keep my sunglasses, and this is like a foldable cup that I have kept for my dad because he can't drink from bottles. He always chokes up. So I've kept this for my dad. I'm going to keep a tripod and the book. I keep a book in case I need to take notes or write down something. I will also keep gum and a face wash in case I need it. So the spoon and the trash bags were in because I went to Mangalore and I did keep them in case like we wanted to eat something and we needed a spoon or a trash bag, because I don't like to litter and throw things on the road. So I keep some trash bags in case I need to dispose something. So this is my fat looking pouch which has all the essentials that I need, and I do carry these in case I get hungry. I can always get hot water from somewhere and use it. I did have some coffee powders as well, but I don't know where it is. So yeah, obviously these are stolen from a hotel. Oh yeah, I do have coffee as well. I always keep these in bag in case I'm hungry or having a headache. So they do help. Trust me, I buy packs of these as well, and I steal it from hotels as well. So these do help when you're hungry and you just need something to fill you up temporarily when there is nothing to eat. And then this cup also serves really well. So this is it, you guys. This is all I am going to carry in my bag. Everything is sorted and everything is put inside of it. I don't think I need anything else apart from this, but yes, I do think I need one or two things, but I don't remember them at the top of my head. But in case I do, I will add them. I do need to add a pen as well. So I will do that in a minute. Yes, I am a overpacker. I carry things thinking that there might be endless possibilities and I might need 101 things at random times. I also spotted this. This is a very inexpensive cream. This is from Borolin and I think it's priced very cheap. I think it was 85-90 rupees. Yeah, see, 85 rupees. So I do have like dry skin. My feet are extremely dry, so it is very awkward like when you are somewhere outside and your feet look like ashy. So I do carry this as well. So yes, this is all that I'm gonna carry, and this is gonna be what's in my bag as of now. So you guys, that is all that is in my bag. I hope you liked it, and then I will show you the final reveal of the cupboard. I have fixed it, and I know I'm not in hijab. I am so lazy to go and grab a hijab. Let me flip the camera and show you how the cupboard looks like. It's not the best. like I would want it to be, but at least all of them are in place and we have to make do with whatever uh, situation we have right here. So let me just show you. Don't judge me and love me. Alright, you guys, this is how it's looking like. Obviously, there are bags inside of bags, and there are some bags behind the bags. So, this is how I have arranged them to the best I could. At least it's all inside and not lying around in 50 million places in the house. So, this is how I've kept it. And yes, obviously, I added some more things in these, like sanitary napkins. I added. Uh, Rubber bands. I added, what do you say? I added band-aids. I added band-aids also in them. So this is the bag that I'm gonna carry, and this is the bag I will carry in case I need a change. So this is why I've kept them together, and rest of the bags are here. Mainly I've kept this bag also outside because I use this bag a lot, and it's a sweet bag. I really love it. So this is how the situation is looking like. I hope you guys found this video entertaining, and yeah, I need to clean my side table right now, which I will do it in another video. But that is all for this particular video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, please do subscribe to my channel, turn on the bell notification button, and share it with your friends and family members. I will see you guys in the next one. Till then, you guys take care, stay safe, and keep smiling.